Hey guys, it's Ice the Code here. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell for more epic, interesting coding slash programming tutorials just like this video. So today we're going to be creating an animated story about the invention of speaker. So this is part 1, it's in a series of parts. So now let's start. So we're going to be using a sprite from the internet, and also the background is going to be from the internet. Then the others are going to be from Scratch library. So now let's just quickly open up a browser. And now just search for teacher. Now you search for teacher hyphen space 15957.jpg, then click on it. Now scroll down and pick teacher clip at png images. So this is it. So now just click this. So now scroll down, just scroll down. Now it's coming up. Now you're going to pick this lady, just click on it. Sorry, this is an ad, just close the ad. And now just scroll down. This is the image. So you say download HD.png. So after you've done that, we'll now come back to Scratch and upload it from the computer. So for the background, I'm going to be using a classroom background, but I want you to download and see something that I think will fit with it. But as for me, I'm going to be using a background. You see it. So now delete this sprite. Now upload the sprite. Oh, sorry about that. Back. So just don't click on it, just leave your mouse pointer on it. Upload sprite. Now let me go to pictures. Okay, it's already pictures here, but it's going to appear in downloads. I just shifted it to pictures, but when you download, it's going to be in your downloads. Now pick teacher2.png. As I said, this is the characters. Now change the size to 60. And now I'm going to upload the background. So now you're going to see the background I'm using. So now this is the background I'm using. Open. This is the background. As you see, I'm using a classroom background that has no teacher, but this is the teacher we're using. Now just bring her over here. Now after you've done that, go back to code, and now let's add our remaining sprites. So of course we're going to need speaker. Now just click on that, and now we're going to also need a car, but in Scratch they call it convertible. So just pick 2 and choose another sprite, and also we're going to be needing microphone. Don't get stressed. I'm going to just hide this for now. Just put when clicked looks, this for the speaker. Scroll down, say hide. Go here again, events, when clicked, go to looks, hide. Don't worry, don't stress yourself. I'm going to also code, but not in part 1. Do that maybe part 3, part 4, part 2. So now go to looks. Then I'm going to this, as I've said before, this part 1. So now hide. Now let's start coding. So now let's just click on it. See now it went. Sorry, I put show here, hide. Now it's not more showing. Now let's go and start coding. So now go to events and put in a when clicked, and now go to your looks. Now the back, now I say you should download the classroom backdrop. So when you download it, just put, when you import it here, just say switch backdrop to it. It's going to be very important. Just put it here. Now go to motion. Now say move two steps. In 2 steps. Now I'm going to be using text to speech. As you know, most of my animations I use text to speech, but in animated story about what I didn't use text to speech because in Scratch maybe there is no development, there's no male voice, only woman voice. That's why we didn't use it because we used the bar in that one. So now bring in speak low, and now remove this and say hello, my name is Amy. Hello, my. So let's just move this here and now put comma my name is Amy. Sorry about that. My name is Amy. So now you know most of all my animations too I also use dots, but let's not do that for now because we're still going to use it, but we don't need to put that for name. And now bring another one and say type in today we're going to be talking of speaker. Today, then put comma, we are going to be talking of speaker. Now after you've done that, now we're going to start using this looks stuff. So now I'll bring it here. So now this new strategy to make our work faster, just click on it and do Ctrl C. That means you're copying it. Now put it here and delete this, Ctrl V, and you can see now that it automatically puts it. So this is the way to reduce stress coding and makes it a faster way. Now after we've done that, let's go to control now, and we're going to say wait 0.2 seconds. 0.2 seconds. Now after we've done that, we're going to go back to text to speech again, and now we're going to start talking of speaker because we've introduced ourselves and we told them the topic we're going to be talking about. So now type in speaker is defined as an electrical device used to make sound or music louder, because that's what speaker is made for. So now speaker is defined as an electrical device used to make sound or music louder. Sound or music louder. Now after you've done that, remember the strategy to reduce stress and make your work faster. So just go back to looks again. Now bring in say. Now Ctrl C. Now delete this, Ctrl V. Now put this at 4 seconds. So I want people to see what we wrote, so you know it's like a speech bubble. So now after I've done that, go to control and say wait 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds. Now after we've done that, go to text to speech again. Now we're going to say, now we've defined what a speaker is. Now we're just going to say speaker can also be called loudspeaker. Which is true. Speaker can also be called loudspeaker. Just move your delete this caps lock. Yep. And remember again, strategy to reduce stress and make it work faster. Just bring it, say hello, then Ctrl C, and you paste it here. So that's actually a good way to minimize stress in coding and also to make it work faster. So now we're going to say go to control again, and now say, so let's just test this first so that we know if it's too slow or not.
Hello, my name is Amy. Today, we are going to be talking of speaker. Speaker is defined as an electrical device used to make sound or music louder. Speaker can also be called loudspeaker.
So now it's working perfectly, and I don't think it's too slow. It's okay. So now just go to control now, and now we're going to say wait 1 second. So putting a pause is just to make the talking more fluently, because we're putting speech. Because we're putting speech that makes it show on the computer. So we have to put all this wait some seconds. Now go to text to speech again. Now we're going to be talking. We're going to mention the who invented this. So now so just type in the first simple type of speaker / loudspeaker was developed by John Philip Race. On my research about speaker, this is what I saw, but there's also some search saying that there are others, there's another person, but I think this is the person that invented it. The first simple type of speaker / loudspeaker was developed by Johann Philip Race. Now after we've done that, so remember the strategy, so just bring the sale though. So I'm telling you guys this so that it makes our work faster. Make sure to not forget this strategy, so to minimize stress and help you go further in code. So now after we've done that, let's test it.
Hello, my name is Amy. Today, we are going to be talking of speaker. Speaker is defined as an electrical device used to make sound or music louder.
It's working well.
Speaker can also be called loudspeaker. The first simple type of speaker / loudspeaker was developed by Johann Philip Race.
Okay, it worked very excellently, but let's just bring this. So I noticed we don't need wait, so let's put it. So now we've come to the end of this video. So we've come to the end of part 1. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when part 2 comes out. And also for more epic interesting coding / programming tutorials just like this video. And also comment down below FB if you downloaded a Classroom background, and comment down below BF if you used another, if you use something aside from Classroom. So let me say it again, if you use Classroom backdrop, comment down below as FB, and if you used another stuff, maybe science room, something else, comment down below BF. And also give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and share it to friends. Please share it to friends and social media accounts, because I'm trying to help everyone learn how to code. So make sure to share it with your friends and on your social media accounts. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and happy coding.